Hey Stampers, Jackie Bolhuis with Klompen Stampers. Can you believe it is the 1st of February already? Where the heck's time going? Actually, I'm glad it's going fast, get this winter over with. But I am here to share with you my February free card making kit. If you've been following me for a while, you know that the 1st of every month I release a brand new free card making kit. All you have to do to get that free card making kit is to place an order of at least $50 with me between the 1st and the 10th of the month, and I send it to you totally free. Each month I feature a different stamp set, so you can kind of build your order around that. Or if you already have the stamp set, purchase whatever you want. The key though is you need to make sure you use my card making kit code. I will have that code listed in the description of the video, as well as a link to take you over to the website that will give you the code. It will show you all the products that I use to complete the card kit so that you can make sure you have everything you need, and you'll be able to take another peek at the projects that I'm going to share with you today. So I would love to have you join me this month. Stamp with me in the mail. Let me send you the free card kit. I also send a video with tips and also a PDF document that has pictures of the projects along with step-by-step instructions for you to make them. So I want to flip the camera down. We'll take a look at this month's featured stamp set and the project that we're making this month. So hang on a sec. This month for our card kit, we are using the Piece of Cake bundle. So we have the Piece of Cake stamp set along with the coordinating punch, which is fun because it will punch out not only the top of the cake, but also the base of the cake. With the card kit and your instructions and your video, you'll get some tips for making this super easy to be able to line up both of those. But you can find this on page 18 of the Occasions catalog. Now, if you don't have this catalog and you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, make sure to let me know so I can send you one. Like I said, all you have to do to get the free card kit each month is to use the card making kit host code when you place your $50 order between the 1st and the 10th of the month. So if you already have these products, go ahead and pick out whatever you want. You just need to make sure the order is $50 and you use the code. If you have it, great, that's awesome, find something else. Otherwise, build your order around this bundle because you're gonna want it. And then don't forget, because it is celebration, you will also get to select a free item out of here with that order. So you're really making out right now when you participate in the card making kit freebie as well. So let's set that aside. I want to show you our project this month. Now it is a card making kit, but this month we're doing something just a smidgen different. We're using these adorable little pizza boxes, and when you open it up, it's filled with 3x3 cards. Now this project's designed for a couple of different uses, I guess. You could make it with these cards and give this whole thing as a little birthday gift to a friend. Now they have the cards to use. Otherwise, use the cards yourself. These are perfect for just little inserts with a little gift, or your coworker set it on their desk. I love making 3x3 cards. They're just fun, and they worked perfect with the stamp set. Now in your card making kit, you'll get the supplies to make the 3x3 cards, along with the pizza box and the supplies to decorate the top of it. Your colors of designer series paper may vary, but I kind of designed them so that, you know, here with the gorgeous grape, I colored them with melon mambo. So you don't have to necessarily have the exact same colors of everything. I'll give you just, you know, a nice assortment of 4 different colors, and then you'll be able to color your cakes however you want. I did color mine with Stampin' Blends, which worked perfectly, but you can color with markers or pencils or blender pen or aqua painter or however you want. But that is the free card making kit that you can get this month. Now I have a couple other samples I want to share with you. Some of these you've maybe seen already, but they're projects that I made with this bundle, so you can kind of, I guess, see what else you can do. These were some super easy cards that I made with my daughter. She actually did a video, helped me do a video showing how easy these were. So we kind of had some fun with this easy watercoloring technique. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you go back and find it. And then here's some other ones I was making. I just wanted to, you know, kind of share with you the versatility of the stamp set, how you can go super simple or step it up and, you know, cut some papers. We do some circles and some embossing. These cards, if I haven't already shared the details on my blog, I will be sharing them. So make sure to check that out. Make sure to subscribe to the blog so you don't miss the details on any of those. But back to this month's. Remember, you have until the 10th of the month to place your $50 order. Don't forget to use the card kit house code, and I'll send you this card kit for free. Now, as always, if you have questions, make sure to ask. You can leave a comment or you can email me. No question is stupid. People say, I'm sorry to bug you. No, you're not bugging me at all. I love questions. Stampin' Up is my full-time job. And if you guys don't have questions, then, you know, I'm kind of out of job. So I look forward to sharing this free card making kit with you guys and helping you with all your stamping needs. Have a stamp happy day.